This is our Big Twizzler. It is a large, vibrant tug that's really popular with all breeds of dog. At the tip of this is our bungee handle, which has shock cord running throughout. This shock cord helps to reduce jarring during play. This makes it more enjoyable for both dog and handler. This toy has a very large hand-plaited bite area. This is made up of 2 strands of colourful fleece and 1 strand of vibrant faux fur. The combination of the faux fur and fleece helps to add a variety of texture as well as making it visually appealing too. The length of this toy means it can be used in a similar way to our chaser style toys. This means it can be dragged along the floor and wiggled for your dog to follow and pounce on, which will tap into your dog's natural chase drive. As well as this, the Big Twizzler is strong enough for tug games too. The Big Twizzler is great for enhancing training sessions as well as enriching play at home. And as our Big Twizzler is hand finished here in the UK, you can be assured that all our products are not only durable, but also super motivating for your dog.